what's up? This is Strangler. I've always wanted to make one of this like EPP foam like 3D airplanes. Like they just look so cool. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm making an EPP foam. If you're not familiar with this stuff, it's like really light and sticks everywhere. Like it makes a huge. I've only made one cut that far, and it's already making a mess. So by the time I'm done this, it's going to be a huge mess, and I'll have to vacuum it up again. But I'll show you when I'm done cutting this out, and I'm going to use this for a wing. But it's not going to be that long, I don't think. And I'll brace it with some special tape, which is fiberglass tape. It's over there. And I'll just document the build. I cut it out, and it's kind of way too big. And it looks ugly, but look at how light this stuff is. Like, it's nothing. I can't really explain it, but that can. Oh. Oops. But anyways, this is super, super light. I can go ahead and get a scale in the next video, but it's just... Oh, here's a good example. Squishy. And if you pick at it, it just comes off and gets everywhere. I'm just putting tape on it everywhere. This big, thick, or wide packing tape is going on here. If you can tell, it's all shiny. And it's all shiny, and now it's like kind of curving, which means it's giving tension. So I'll do it on the other side, which will curve it the other way and give it super strength. So I see you when the other side's done. Okay, now I'm done both sides, and it's all staticky and whatnot and shiny. Now I just do the bottom. Now everything's all nice and shiny. But all on here, even on the bottom and the top and the tail, all the way across. So now it's like, it's not floppy anymore. It's like really strong. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like really strong now. It's a little bit heavier, but it's still pretty light, and it's way stronger. I didn't video like any of it, but here's the airplane in all of its glory. It's kind of big with a tiny motor, but it's super light. So I put tape all over it. So I can't wait to go fly it. And it's like, I made just a little mess. It's not that big, but my room over there is way more messy. But here it is. It's a 1000 kV with 30 amp ESC FlySky IA6 receiver, which the FlySky FSI6X goes to, and some servos and whatnot. This is a sweet airplane. I'm ready to go fly. So let's go fly it. Oh, I'm back from flying this thing. It was amazing. It flew like way too fast. It was crazy. And it just, because of the torque of the motor, it just turns the plane, so it starts to do a skid in the air. And there's no control over that because there's no ailerons. So I'm buying some servos and some servo extension cables to make it go from receiver up to where the servo is going to be. So I'll see you when I have servos extensions and when it's here. Thank you for watching. This is Joey Swangler. Subscribe, leave a like if you liked it, comment below on whatever you want to comment on. Subscribing is free, and this channel has no ads, so you're welcome. And sorry I didn't have any flight footage, but here's some bonus footage for you. That is a legendary chip. Is it 3 chips? All curved. My friend said if one of them's curved, touches the other end, it's legendary. So I wonder what this is. 3 chips. Didn't even do that.